Good day, Orteans. Your lecturer for today is Professor Allan Santos, top 5 in the March 2012 Criminology's licensure examination. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button to receive the latest updates. Take it away, Allan.
Okay guys, I hope that you are safe. Okay, at ligtas kayo sa inyong mga tahanan. So, ang ating topic ngayon, ang ating subject is drug education and vice control. Tandaan nyo guys, no? Isa ito sa dahilan kung bakit ang criminal detection and investigation o CDI ay pinakamahirap. Kino-consider na isa sa pinakamahirap na area sa criminology licensure exam. At ang isa sa mga dahilan, one of the reasons, itong drug education. So, guys, katulad kahapon, naging fruitful tayo kahapon. Okay, we isulat ulit, no? Mag-take note, grab your pen, grab your paper, okay guys, and let us start our discussion. Okay guys, ganun ulit, no? So I want you to be active, okay? Sa ating review para ma-test natin kay ang ating sarili sa mga inihanda kong mockboard question. Okay? Good morning ulit sa inyo guys. Let us start. Okay, number 1 tayo guys, no? So, I want you to take note, no, of this. Blank is the act of introducing any dangerous drug into the body of any person with or without his knowledge. Okay? So, what is the answer for this one, guys? What is the answer? Okay. So, okay, many have answered. Okay, majority of you have answered administer. So, ang cultivation, guys, it is the yung tinatawag nating planting, growing, and raising, okay, of plant na kino-consider na illegal drugs. Okay guys, excuse me first, okay. Okay guys, my apology. So, when you say about use, it is the introduction. Your keyword in the sa term na use is introduction of drugs into the body. So, kapag sinabi nyo naman ang tolerance, it is the increase of dosage, no, na tinitake ng isang tao na habang nagtitake siya ng drugs, mas tumataas ang kanyang tolerance. So, mas marami siyang drugs na nagagamit. So, the answer for this one, guys, you are all correct. Majority of you correct. The answer is administer. Okay? So, number 2. Okay, just like what I've said. Okay. What is the answer? Yes. So, it is the tendency to increase the dosage of drugs to maintain the same effect in the body. So, kapag ikaw ay nag-i-increase ng dosage, nandun na tayo sa tinatawag nating abusive dose, no? So, nagkakaroon tayo ng tinatawag na drug dependent, no? Ito yung effects ng drugs atin psychologically, physically, cognitive, pati yung behavior natin. Okay, yung pagiging attached natin sa illegal drugs. So, yes guys, the answer for this one is tolerance. Okay, the answer is tolerance. Okay, number 3. Okay, it means the act of knowingly planting, growing, raising, permitting the planting of growing, raising, and plant which is the source of prohibited drugs. Okay? So, tama. Okay, I'm very glad na ang dami sa inyo naging active ngayon. So, that is cultivation. Anong section under the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002 ang cultivation? Cultivating of illegal drugs. Okay, Teddy, you are correct. That is section 16. So, please remember that. Okay, let us now proceed to number 4. Traditionally, these are synthetic chemicals used as medicine or in the making of medicine, which affects the body and mind and have a potential for abuse. What is the answer? So, what is the answer in this one, guys? So, yes, tama. Okay, tama si Marigold. Okay. So, Teddy, you are correct. The answer is drug. Okay? Gaya na sinabi ko, when you say about psychological dependence, you have some sort of mental attachment to the drugs na hindi mo na siya, you can't live without it. Parang hindi mo na kaya na iwan yung drugs psychologically, mental aspect. Okay? So, and when you say about chemicals, ito naman yung any substance na may effects din sa ating katawan. Okay? So the answer for this one, guys, is drug. Okay? Alpha. Alpha ang sagot. So, number 6. It is commonly known as the science of poisons, the effects, and antidotes. So what is the answer? Guys, so when you say about letter A, prescriptive drugs, ito yung mga drugs na you can buy with prescription from a physician or doctor. Okay? May reseta. So when you say about over-the-counter, ito yung mga drugs na pwede mong bilhin without prescription. Okay? Walang reseta. Kaya mo siyang bilhin. Pag sinabi mo namang self-medication syndrome, okay? Self-medication syndrome, it means na yung pagbili mo ng drugs, okay, ay ang iyong source of information about na gamutin mo sarili mo, self-medication, ay doon sa mga tao or sa mga literatures. Okay, other than the physician or the pharmacist. So, ang sagot dito, guys, is toxicology. Okay, just like pinag-aralan natin kahapon, the father of toxicology is Matthew Orteas. Okay. So, 7. So, I already discussed this to you guys. This is found in users and would-be users of drugs, which sources of information are people or literature, other than the doctors, pharmacists, and health workers. Okay? So what is the answer? Yes, lahat kayo ay tama. The answer is self-medication syndrome. Okay, not prescriptive drugs kasi yung prescriptive drugs yan ay yung nire-reseta, ano? Okay? Mayroon prescription from the doctor or physician. Then over the counter, nabibili even without a prescription. Okay, so I want you to remember.
If you want to learn more from him, take our Road to 1 Million challenge. If this channel hits 1 million subscribers, we will release the rest of his lectures. Or you can watch the rest of his lectures now by enrolling in Ortea Criminology Review. Just message us on our Facebook account for more details. See you soon, Orteans!